Hello guys, it's Qora Digital Cash here again, and I welcome you all to today's video. And quickly we will be looking at a few things in today's video so that we will know how to trade some of these assets successfully. We will be looking at one of the best way to use stop loss to trade boom and crash, and definitely we started this training few days ago, and we are getting to the end of it. And gradually I believe I'm really seeing some positive results from people's trade. Okay, I'm really seeing some positive results. It shows that people are really making lots of money. They are really going through some of these training sessions, and they are putting them into practice, and it is actually improving their trading experience, and I'm really happy about this. Okay guys, so we will be looking into more things that we need to know in order for us to trade this asset successfully. But before we can go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I've been using to to explain to you how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, and make sure you watch some of my training videos and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will all be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. So guys, I will be sharing with you how you can use stop loss to trade boom and crash successfully. Like I said, I started this training few days ago, and definitely in my last video we checked out how we can use it to trade 15 minutes time frame, and here we will be I will be explaining more on that, and also probably how we can also use it on 30 minutes. Okay, so all days I will be putting them together in this video. Okay, but let me quickly use this to explain. Okay, like I have explained to you earlier on, I said we are leveraging on some things right here. The first thing we are leveraging on is on the trend. Okay, once you know the right trend to trade this asset, then you are good to go. For instance, this is within this region is the downtrend region. Okay, let's say decide to come in here and the market reverse back to this level, and since it is still showing us that the market is still on downtrend, you should be rest assured that it will definitely go back, and you can see it going back and back and going down and down and down till it got to this support zone. So you should be rest assured that you will definitely finish up with the trend at that particular point. Then the next thing we are also leveraging on is the time frame. Okay, if you take your time frame to 1 minute time frame, it is most likely a single spike will wipe off the whole of your account. But if you take it down from, if you're starting from 5 minute time frame, then you will be able to control that to some extent, and with the help of the stop loss, then you will be able to perfect it successfully. For instance, let's say you decide to come in from this entry point arrow. Okay, you decide to come in there, and the price action has actually gotten to this level, about to get to the blue area where it spiked up from, and you now decide to put your stop loss somewhere here. Although I don't always advise you to put your stop loss very close to the exit point like this, but let's say because you already feel that you've made a lot of profit and you don't want to lose more, and you decide to put your stop loss somewhere here, then definitely once this gets to this region and it's spiked up, I'm very sure a single spike will not get to this stop loss, but let's say it gets to this stop loss, it spiked up, and this is where the spike finished from, it's finished on this particular spot. Okay, so all you need to do, the only thing that will happen is to move your stop loss backward to where it stopped, and it's going to close down your trade for you. And do you know what? The profit between here and here will go straight into your balance. Even if any spike should occur, you won't be in the market again at that particular point. That is the beautiful thing about you combining these three things together. So these are the things you are combining together, and that is what we are leveraging on. Okay, the first thing is your time frame. Okay, the first thing is your time frame. I'm waiting for the Jamboard to load up so that we will understand what we are doing right here. So I'm going to clear this so that I can have a plain sheet. Okay, let me pick up my pen. Okay, we are leveraging on the time frame plus the trend first plus the time frame. Okay, let me use TR for trend plus the time frame TF. Okay, and we are leveraging on these two. Then we are now using the stop loss with it, SL stop loss with it. That is what is giving us profits. Okay, profitable trades. Okay, that is what we are doing. So we leverage on the time frame, the trend. Once you are within the right trend and you are cool, then you make use of a reasonable time frame. Okay, starting from M5, you are good. Okay, I love using from M5. I don't like going too far. Also M5 to M30. Okay, that is what I love using. If I don't use M5, I use M15. I use M15 most of the time. Okay, then if I don't use M15, I use M30. So within this three region, that is what we look into. That is what I take advantage of. Then you use stop loss. Okay, stop loss it's not going to save you from spike, but it will save you from getting involved in multiple spike and keep the rest of your profit for you. Okay, let's say you are on this trend and you already have your stop loss here. Sorry about that. Let me erase that. Let's say you are on that trend and the market is going in your favor and you already have your stop loss somewhere here, and there is a spike. Here is your entry point. The spike got to this level. It will only push this stop loss backward to this level, and it will close your trade for you, and the profit between here to here will go straight to your wallets. We go straight to your balance. Even if another spike should happen, you won't be involved. Even if another one should happen, you won't be in the market at that particular point. You already have your profit in your balance. Okay, so that is the feelings. Those are the kind of thing you get when you apply this formula. Okay, when you apply this formula. So let's go back to the chart again. So that is what I was trying to explain to you in my last video. Okay, I'm taking it down to 15-minute time frame for those of you that have been practicing what I've been doing. If you wake up at the early part of this morning and you decide to go with this trade, okay, on 15-minute time frame, you come in here as your sell signal. Then after going down to this level, you can put your stop loss. Let's say the price action gets to this level, you can put your stop loss somewhere here at the middle. You just calculate the middle and put your stop loss somewhere here, somewhere here. And as this is going down, you adjust your stop loss to the middle again. As it is going down, you adjust your stop loss to the middle, and right now it has really gone down to this level. Okay, all you need to do is just to adjust your stop loss to the middle, and it has gone to the end of the trend. Okay, you can see that it spiked up here. It spiked up here. Despite the fact that it spiked up here, it didn't get to your stop loss. And if you should notice, your stop loss is no longer in the middle. That does not mean you should now move up your stop loss to the middle. No, you leave it where it is. Okay, your stop loss should go towards the direction of your current action price, not your action price moving towards, not your stop loss moving upward above your action price. Okay, so it's as your action price is going down, your stop loss should follow it, most especially for boom. If your action price is going up, and if you are trading crash and your action price is going up, your stop loss should also follow it at that particular point. Okay, that is, since we are not trading spike, that is all that we need to do in order to make some of this profit. So right now it has gotten to the end of the trend, so you don't need to put stop loss again. You just close the trend at that point, so you're having 100% profit to yourself. Okay, this is what I'm trying to let you see about the illustration I did on the Jamboard. You can see, let's say you decide to come in somewhere here, and the price action has gotten to this region, and you have introduced your stop loss to the middle. As you can see, your stop loss is already at the middle. As this is, you can see it spiked up to this level, it didn't get to your stop loss, came down again to this level, spiked up, came down again. Right now it's the stop loss is no longer in the middle, so you try to reset it and put it in the middle. Okay, and it has gotten to this level, it spiked up and spiked up, and this time around the last spike that happened went above the stop loss and stopped here. So the worst scenario, the worst thing that will happen is to move. Okay, it has spiked up and got into this level, is to move this stop loss backward to this level and close your trade for you. You can see more spike still happen, but you won't be in the market at that point because the stop loss has taken you out of the market. So it has saved you from multiple spikes that happen after it has after it has gotten to the stop loss already. So this profit, the profit between here and here, will be in your balance at that particular point. Okay, it is as easy as that. The same thing is applicable on 30-minute time frame. It also makes it much more very easy. It makes it very easy for us to trade this asset even on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you can imagine you coming in right here from this red arrow, and the market has been going down. It has been going down. Remember, this is 30 minutes time frame. Okay, the market had been going down, it came down to this level. You can just introduce your stop loss to the middle and you trail it down till you get to the end of the trend, or probably till you get to this exit arrow, or maybe till when the the spikes hits the stop loss and close your trade for you, and the rest of your profit will be in your balance. That is how you can go with it. All you just need to do is to practice this on your demo account, and you will see how profitable this is going to be for you. So make sure you follow the instruction and practice. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here, but before I will be putting this to an end, I got so many messages from people asking me about the upcoming program and if they can still get some slots. Okay, don't worry, I've opened up a few slots, but once this one is filled up, I won't be able to accommodate more people. It is just in 2 weeks time. It's going to be taking place in 2 weeks time, and you will be getting everything as promised in this from this. Okay, everything that I have promised for this particular program, those are the things that you will be getting on that particular day. Just in 2 weeks time, you guys will be having this program with me live and direct. So you only have few slot for you to pick up. Okay, so if you are yet to register for this and you want to be a part of this, it's going to be online and it's not going to take our time at all, and you will have all the necessary training materials with you that will guide you on how to go for it, and of course all the necessary trading tools will be given to you live and direct. So I'm not going to take our time at all. It's going to be very easy. I'm going to make it as simple as possible, and you guys are going to enjoy it. Okay, so you can contact me now so that you will be able to book your slots right away before it will be taken again. Okay, before all these slots will be exhausted. My contact details are on the screen. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to contact me if you have any question at all, and of course if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will all be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.